get up under the bar, and as you can see, I'm not using it like a back squat. I'm turned, and I'm going to roll the bar around on those traps where we get trapped knots, and it's not pleasant, but fine, and you're just going to hang around. Also, good for practicing your grip support, because the stronger your hands are, the more weight you can pull. Roll the bar on your thigh. You can control the pressure. You can also stay on a spot if you found that you have a knot. You can also get over here towards your IT band that a lot of you will not do on the foam roller. So you'll use the bar and you will roll it over your thigh muscle as your dog rolls over you and decides to make a lot of noise for you. So make sure you do both legs. I call these band pull aparts for a reason. I also use them in a workout. But if you use them for recovery, opening up the chest, pulling back with the elbows, putting that pencil blade or that pencil between your shoulder blades and squeezing them and working on those spinal erectors all the way up and down the spine, keeping your vertebrae taken care of. I can't think of the word I want to use, which happens a lot. All right, so then you want to go diagonal. So my right hand is going towards 2 o'clock, my left hand is going towards 7 o'clock. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, Google it. And then we have the other side, we have 10 o'clock and we have 4 o'clock. And take that stretch. Allow your chest to open up. We spend so much above the kidneys. Let's go there. You're going to put your knees ready, bent for bridges. You're going to support your head and neck with your arms. And what you're going to do is you're going to bridge up and you're going to foam roll towards your head. As you roll towards your head, the more that you bridge, the more you're going to hit your traps. What we did earlier with the bar, you're going to get that foam roller into those traps more where we hold our attention. So again, heels down, toes up, start bridging. Then squeeze and bring that foam roller up to your head and kind of roll on those traps and come back down. Let's do it one more time. Big inhale. Exhale, come up. Roll into those traps. As big a bridge as you can, squeeze, squeeze, and that's going to help bring those traps in underneath that foam.